What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to add, invite and play Dying Light 2 with friends on your PC or console. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. While playing Dying Light 2 on your device, make sure to pause the game. From here, select the online menu. First of all, make sure to sign in with your Epic Games account or the account of the platform you are on to play the game. When selecting online options, you can change the game type from single player to public, private or friends only, and this option will determine who can join your game. Below, you have the call for help setting. Here you can set how often the game will look for help in other sessions while you are playing the game. Next, enable or disable voice chat and set the voice chat volume below. In the Friends tab, you can view your online friends among those who are offline. You can scroll through the friends pages on the top right, and below you can sort your list by default, which is showing your online friends first, by name, player rank or by in distress. To add a friend to your game, make sure that your game type is set to public or friends only. After logging in with your account, you can then proceed to add a player from your friends list. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.